Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable recently closed tabs on Safari. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. To do this, start by opening the Safari app on your iPhone or iPad. Now you need to create a new tab, so at the bottom right corner, tap the icon. Next, you have the add icon at the bottom left corner. Tap on it. A new tab will open. So just scroll down a bit. You will now see the option Edit. Tap on it. You will now see several features listed down. They are Favorites, Frequently Visited, Shared with You, Privacy Report, Siri Suggestions, Reading List, iCloud tabs, and Recently Closed tabs. Next to Recently Closed tabs, you have a toggle on or off button. So just toggle it off and Recently Closed tabs will be disabled in Safari. After successfully disabling Recently Closed tabs, you can exit the editing menu. So just tap the close icon at the top right corner and you will exit this page. Now, when you close a Safari tab, it won't show up in the Recently Closed tab section, offering a more private browsing experience. And thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and click on that notification bell to never miss an update.